Have you come across financial trouble lately? 2020 was a rough year for many families. Are you behind in your mortgage payment or facing foreclosure? Or filing for bankruptcy or not sure what to do or where to turn? Before you do anything, give Curbside Go Credit Repair a call. We offer debt elimination, not consolidation. We are committed to close personal service and will help you get a better, clearer explanation. If you are feeling overwhelmed with debt, give us a call today and let us put our proven methods to work for you. Just think, debt elimination and a repaired credit score. Let us help you get your life back. Call Curbside Go Credit Repair today.